The rules of the game. So we're going to be split up into 4 teams. Somebody's
we're actually
sound
playing
is feedbacking. I think it's Rafid or Jay. I'm just going to mute both of you. Okay. Hello, hello. All right, great. So we're going to be in 4 teams. The teams have been pre-designated. We will take a minute to put everybody in said teams via the breakout rooms. The way the game will work, you'll see a beautiful board, something along the lines of this. Each team will take a turn picking their cue, right? So their question and their monetary amount. That team, all the points will be doubled for that team. We will, after the answer is read, all groups will go into a breakout room for exactly 1 minute and 10 seconds. It will be 1 minute, but you have 10 seconds to get back after that. Each team should designate a spokesperson for that team. And when we come back, everybody will write their answer in the chat, not hit submit. I will count down to 1, 2, 3, submit. Everybody, the spokesperson from each team will submit their answer so that it's all on the same time. The teams that are right will get those amounts of points. So 500 is 5 points, 400 is 4 points, etc. But if your team is the team, and if your team is wrong, you will lose those points. If your team is the team that chose that clue, it's all doubled. So if you chose a $200 clue and you lose it, you miss it, you will lose 4 points. Okay, any questions on how the point systems are going to work?
Yes, how does the point system actually work?
What do you mean?
You confused me. You were kind of stumbling on your words.
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you, Danny, for that. So, maybe it's just the connect action on the screen. What's going to happen is a team will choose their category and their monetary amount. All teams will be split into breakout rooms. When they come back, the designated spokesperson for the team, everybody will type their answers into chat at the same time and hit enter at the same time. The teams that chose, all the points are doubled. So if you choose a 100, you'll get 200 points or 2 points. If you miss it, it's also doubled. All the other teams, the points will be whatever that face value is. That's all it works. So somebody asked about VS Code. No, you don't need VS Code. This is purely off of your team's memory, working together. So you should not be Googling. You should purely try to remember. It's all right. If we all end up in the negatives, we all end up in the negatives. But we're going to go for it, okay? At the very end, oh yeah, you should know this. At the very end, there will be a final Jeopardy question where you'll be able to wager a certain amount of points of which you've already earned. If everybody's in the negative, we'll fix it somehow. If otherwise, if you're in the negative, you technically can't play in Final Jeopardy like real rules. Okay? Any other questions? Danny, how was the fumbling? Okay, that time?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, good. All right, so give me a second while I put us into our breakout rooms. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna take a second, so you can breathe and relax for the next few minutes. As I have to wait till everybody gets in here to do this.
Santa.
Is Kevin Brutus here? No, doesn't look like it.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, he is?
Yeah, he's here.
Yes,
Right
yes. In the chat.
I'm not seeing you in this thing. That's weird. Did you just show up?
No, I've been here from before 7.
Why are you not available to be put into a room? Oh, there you are. Found you. It just showed up. That's weird. Okay, let's keep going.
You guys ever realize that Alex Trebek just like I feel like he doesn't care about the contestants. He'll ask them like a question, they'll give you a deep answer. He's like, "Oh, I bet you're right. All right, let's go back to the show." He's always just like that, very unfazed with anything you ask him.
Definitely have noticed that and even joked about it today. I totally agree with you. It's so funny, right?
Because I was watching Jeopardy a few days ago on Netflix, and I was just realizing like he really doesn't care. He does. He does. He's just trying to get on with the show and be out. Like that's it.
Right? He doesn't care about their answer at all.
Isn't
But
he?
he's so funny.
Isn't he sick or something like that?
Yeah, he has
He-
pancreatic cancer.
Yeah, but he came back and then it went away again. I heard like he's recovering.
He's doing all right. Yeah, he's he's in the low percentage of people that live a year already with it. So that's pretty cool. All right. I'm like halfway down. I apologize. Okay.
What does the winner get?
Bragging rights.
A haircut.
Hey, John Jones, are you here?
A haircut?
Put on your
Yo, bro, stop.
Can we get a haircut? We win.
Nah, bro, don't say that right now.
Yeah. I'll cut your hair when you come back.
No, absolutely not.
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm not even. We can't even joke about that.
No, I'm really good with this pair of scissors.
Mm-mm. I don't trust Corey with anything sharp.
Give me a break. Just to confirm, John Jones is not here, right? Okay. Let's keep going. Oh, there. All right. Awesome. All right. So one more thing to note is we're going to start at team 1. Your team is the same as your breakout number. Okay. So as a team, you can decide where you're going to go. So the first, I'm just going to go ahead and start with the first team, tell them who they are so they can at least start and then decide which board piece to go. And then we'll all go into our rooms and try to figure out our answer. Okay. Oh, actually, you know what I'll do? I'll just open all the rooms for 1 minute, get to know your team. Okay. And come up with a team strategy. All right.
Hello, people.
All right.
Same.
Okay, are we back again? Oh, okay.
We are back again. All right, so I'm going to share my screen here. And let's get ready to play. I will also put the question into the chat in order to make sure that everybody knows it when they go into their breakout room.
Oh shit. I don't even think. All right, forget about it.
Okay, where are we going first? Team 1.
Here.
Hey, team 1. Where are we going first?
We actually didn't pick a thing. We were kind of like figuring out who the captain was.
I didn't even know who Team 1 was just now.
Yes, probably need
We
another.
are team 1.
Yeah.
Danny,
Danny?
Danny, why don't you pick the question?
Okay. I would. Man, this is getting shaky. Redux. Everything Redux for 100.
Everything Redux for 100. Okay, let's go. The official opinionated batteries included tool set for efficient Redux development. Okay, now go into your breakout rooms.
Oh, I know what that is.
Well, good.
Oh, sorry.
That's good. Okay, and we'll see you all in 1 minute.
Ooh, we had a hard meeting just now.
Oh my God, we didn't pick a.
Oh
Yeah.
man, and we're back. Is my screen already being shared or no?
Yeah, no.
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 Okay.
No.
This is gonna be interesting. Back and forth. Okay. Now it's shared though. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Great. Okay. So the people, the team leaders there who want to be the chat, go ahead and type your answer in the chat. Don't hit enter yet. Okay. And I will do the countdown. So you've got 5 seconds to enter your answer. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And submit. Now, what do we got? Redux Toolkit from Marvin. What is Redux Toolkit, Giovanni? What is Redux Toolkit, Rafid? And Henry.
What is?
Redux Toolkit. Okay, but Henry, your answers was a little slow. So like from now on, you're going to have to be faster. Okay. Because you could have easily copied that in the time.
Oh. Alright.
Wait, so who's the leader?
Oh, cheap.
What's going on right now?
Oh, wait, it's Danny. Danny's the leader.
Yeah.
Why did I type? Oh, my fault. My fault. Okay.
Oh, Henry.
Sorry. I'm out.
Hey, Jenya. Jenya,
Yes.
can you help me with the, because I have like a lot of screens open. Was that a point for each team? Are they all on different teams?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's a
just
point
the-
for each team, but the team one gets 200 points because it was their pick.
Exactly. Perfect. Thank you. Okay. Team 2. What are we at?
Wait, you want to keep picking? We just won.
Do we have to write it in question format?
Keep forgetting the numbers.
You don't have to write it in question format, but it's fun if you do.
Am I team 2? I'm team 2, right?
Yeah, Marvin, you're up.
Yeah, Marvin, you're team 2.
Oh, sick! I'm in team 2. All right, guys. Great. Okay, we're gonna go to. Let's keep it simple. Let's go to JS Fundamentals 200. Let's do it.
JS Fundamentals 200. Okay. Let's go there. This prints out. What does this print out? I will open up the breakout rooms. It's kind of an awkward. I've got too many things open. Like I can't find. There it is. All right.
We can see an
See
answer.
the answer
the
to the
answer.
question.
You can?
Yes.
Brilliant.
I'm picking that.
Open all rooms. Oh, yeah. Great. Brilliant. Jay Jones, why are you still in here? Oh, you're not in a group, right?
No, I'm not in the group. I came in late, so
Right. You should be in team 3. So let me see if I can set that up.
all right.
Where is the breakout rooms? Yeah, I don't see you right now for some reason, but we'll try to get you on the next round.
Okay.
Well, that was a crazy deliberation we just had. Very tough, very intense.
All right, and we're back. In the chat, please put your answer in 5, 4, and if you're not right there on time, you won't get your points. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we have all 4 teams 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, and I. And the answer is what is 333?
Oh.
So let's just talk about this one briefly. So if you'll notice that in our function, we're in our for loop there is written in ES5. And so we have a var declaration of I. So if we remember from, when var is function scoped. So that function gets hoisted to the top of our function, that declaration. So because of that, we see that I keeps incrementing with the rest of the for loop, and by the time set timeout is finished, it goes and looks at the reference of what I is, which is function scoped. And since the for loop is over, it will read as a 3. Let is what would give us those 0, 1, 2. That would be a lot nicer. Let is block scoped. Okay, so no points, but team 2 loses 2 points on that one. Or no, 4 points, right? Which is
I let y'all
there.
down. I'm sorry, y'all.
No points. We lose no points.
And everybody else loses 2 points.
Man.
Wait.
Wait.
That's a little.
Whew, that's a lot of points.
Wait, Corey.
This game is expensive. Bro.
Yeah.
What's going on?
That's a lot of points.
Hold on,
Hey,
Corey. Team 1
we
had
don't buy
200
negative.
points. It loses 200 points, so it's going to be at 0. Team 2 is going to be minus 300.
damn.
Team 3 is going to be minus 100.
Okay. And
Team 4 minus 100.
Okay. Thank you, Jenny. I'm going to need your help on that. Okay. All right. Continuing on, where are we going?
So team 3,
Team
we're
three.
gonna do React for 400.
React for 400.
That's not fair. That
Oh,
is so
no.
big answer.
Oh nah, they
Well,
wildin'.
maybe everybody did. Class name is written in camelCase because this kind of code is closer to JavaScript than to HTML.
I don't
And
think we
Don't think too hard.
are open.
Were you able to put me in a room this time?
Yeah, now you're going. I just made it, I think. So you should be able to see it.
No.
Is it- No? There. Maybe now.
I had an interesting digital trip this time.
Yo, Corey, you kind of gave Marvin's group and put him in our group. I don't know what happened.
What happened?
We have
I
to
got-
infiltration.
I got sent to group 3's breakout room.
You're in group
Word, we
three
were
some?
Yeah, he was
Hey,
disappeared.
no.
We couldn't find him.
I was like talking to my group, and then I blank out, and then I'm in group 3's chat.
Marvin, you're in group 3 somehow? Where were you?
I was in group 2, and then like it told me it was moving me to breakout room 3.
All right. You're back in 2. I don't know why that happened.
More ping
That's a
pong.
weird glitch. All right. In the chat, write your answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, JSX all around. Yeah, apparently there was a leak, an info leak on that one. I apologize. There's still lots of points on the board to make up for that. Jenny, can you help me with the scoring?
Sure. So team 1 is going to be at 400 points.
Good work, team.
Got it.
Team 2 is going to be at 100 points.
Yes.
Team 3 is going to be at 700 points.
Yeah.
And 300, right?
Yep.
Okay, great. I'm finally getting it. It adds the amount of points already, which is why it got so messed up the first time. Okay, so spacebar, what is JSX? Let's continue. Team 4, where are we going?
So we're gonna go with JS fundamentals for 500.
Whoa, shooting for the stars. I like it. All right, and the 3 ways functions can be invoked. All right, and we'll see you all soon.
3.
Let's go, team 3.
All right.
Is everybody still here?
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
still-
Okay, and here we go.
Yo, this Jeopardy internet thing is giving me a hard time.
Oh, we typing
In the chat.
Leaking the code.
What
Oh,
happened?
cool. Okay, I got so scared. So I was typing my answer just to sort of see like if like the group like could see it.
And
It told me it was sending it to everybody, and I freaked out.
Yeah.
And
I was like, no.
All right. Welcome back, everybody. Let's see those answers in the chat in 5,
Oh,
4, 3, 2, 1. Submission. Okay, we only got one submission in there. Giovanni's team. What is method style, constructor style, and I'm
Blank out.
assuming I'm going to read that as function style. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt.
That's what we mean, like a regular function. Like
that is correct.
Energy. I get
Where's
that.
the other answers?
Yeah, we had the function style. We blinked out. Let's go put that there.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah. So remember, constructor style is when you create a new instance of the object.
Yep.
Right. That's one function invocation. A method is when it's dot something like dot pop, dot push. Those are method style. And then just a typical function where we're just invoking it there, where we're like add two numbers, A plus B, invoke. What team was that? What team is Giovanni?
Team 4.
Team 4. Oh, you're the team that guessed this one too, right?
Yeah, we're taking the lead right. We're gonna take the lead right now.
Oh, right. And everybody else is losing some points. Wow, how the tables have turned.
Wait, team 3 ain't lose nothing yet. Hold on.
We just did.
No, they lost. They had a good lead before.
I'm just checking. Just
try,
checking.
Marvin.
crazy.
Just checking, y'all. Just checking.
I've got the hang of the point system, I think, now. All right. Coming up next is Team 1. Team 1, make your selection.
JS fundamentals for 300.
JS fundamentals for 300. Name 4 mutative array methods.
All right, that's cool.
And we will go to breakout rooms. Open all rooms. All right. Welcome back, everybody. Please put your answers in the chat in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Post those answers. Okay. So Marvin says slice, splice, sort, and push. Ooh, that's close. So slice actually does not mutate the array. However, the other 3 do. One common way of duplicating an array is doing slice and 0. That was before we had array structuring. Push, pop, shift, unshift. Those can all be good. Push, pop, shift, unshift, good. And the other team as well.
We overthought.
So almost. So what, Marvin, what team are you? You're 2, right?
Team 2.
Okay.
Yikes.
Oh, no.
And team 1 was your team 1 selection, right?
Double.
Okay. All right.
Team 4 is ODing right now.
Yo, word.
Oh, team 2's got an opportunity. There's still a lot of points left on that board, but
Stress some change? Yo, anybody want to stress some change, like for real?
all right.
Stress some change right
Team
now.
2, what is your selection?
I think we got to go big for this one. I think we're gonna go like, let's go React for 500. Let's do it.
React.
Okay.
We have to do it. We got to do it.
The 3 life cycle methods.
Come on. That was
It's not fair.
Play.
Wait. Oh, chill out. I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
No.
The 3 life cycle methods that the use effect hook can replace, and all rooms are open. And we're back. Dun, 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 dun. Inside of the chat, please post your answers in 5, 4,
Hey.
3,
Oh.
2.
You're
Let's go.
overestimating our friends.
Hold
Okay,
on.
okay, hang on.
Oh, I already did. I did twice.
Okay, just do what you can. All right.
Come on.
Component did. Okay, I guess we got two people.
That's really
Three, oh,
That's forever.
still typing. I believe you. Okay.
fast.
We have component did mount, component did update, and component did unmount.
But it's that camelCase.
It's not quite right. I'm sorry. Component did mount. Somebody did that in 3 words. Unmount and update. We're gonna get the whole wording there. Danny says, "What is component did mount? Component did update. Component will unmount." Okay, I'm gonna give that to you, even though you spaced out the words.
Oh, come on.
Component did mount. Component did update. Component will unmount.
Oh my god.
Are the answers. Ideally, we all would have done that with correct spelling. Please look at them and notice the camelCase spelling. This is JavaScript. It's always going to be camelCase. Hard to type everything when we have a few seconds to type it.
Yeah, when will I
Okay,
ever
we
get
can
points?
make that adjustment, Rafid.
Cool.
Okay.
Oh man, that's painful. I was so hyped.
Yeah, that's a long one.
That's a big loss.
Ouch,
Yeah,
the
that's
team
it's
two.
over.
You
Yeah.
you guys selected that one, right?
Yeah, that was us. We're done. Yeah, we're
Oh,
done.
no, there's still lots of points on the board. So
That
who got
number.
that? Which team's got that right, Jenya?
Our team, team 1.
So
Team 1 got that one right.
team 1 is right.
Four.
And 4.
Hold on.
4 and
No,
3.
4 messed up. I don't know what you're
Not
talking
enough.
about. 4 messed up.
They didn't have the words component. Oh
God
man,
damn.
that's a hard one. But don't worry, there are still lots of points. There are still lots of points on the board.
It was one word. Oh.
So close, but unfortunately, like Trebek would say, not quite right. All right, coming up. Team, what are we on now? 3, yeah? Where are we going?
Miscellaneous 500.
Oh,
Oh.
miscellaneous 500. This RTK function accepts an action type string and a function that returns a promise and generates a thunk that dispatches pending, resolved, rejected action types based on that promise. That's quite the mouthful.
Got
All
it.
right. And we will be going into breakout room. Okay.
God, this game is.
Yo, Marvin, right there.
I got you.
All right. And we are back.
Oof, oof.
Yo, we can't afford to get this wrong.
I am going to give
I
everybody.
can't afford.
How about is 10 seconds enough time to type this?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
10, 9,
Man,
8,
you have
7,
literally no more points to lose.
6, 5, 4,
alone.
Remember, when you're on the bottom, there's no way but up.
2, 1. Go ahead and submit those answers.
I feel like I gotta take out a loan.
Create async, create async. Every team is correct. There you go.
Finally.
That's right.
Lord.
What is create async thunk? Love that. Which team was that?
Team 3.
That was team 3's. 1,
This is
2,
gonna be the greatest comeback
1,
story you guys have ever seen.
1, and 1.
That's right.
Okay, very good. Coming up next is Team 4. Team 4, where are we going now?
We'll take the JavaScript fundamentals for 400.
JavaScript fundamentals for 400. Around and around we go. While running through the call stack, asynchronous code is resolved by the web browser API and then moved into the callback queue, where it waits for the call stack to empty before dequeuing and then pushing onto the stack. This is referred to as... Okay, take an extra second to read this question because I know it's a little longer, and I don't think the broadcast lets me put in all the words. Okay. Actually, I think I can just type it into the chat here. I've got a better system now. Okay, and we will go into the breakout rooms right now. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this was a fun one, and around we do go. Please place your answers in the next 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enter. Okay, we got what is the event loop across the board? And that is correct. What is the event loop? This is becoming quite the game right now. That was Team 4's question, right?
Yep.
2 for them.
Yo,
1
spare a
for
point,
everybody
please.
else. Team 2 almost in the green, almost there. Let's keep it rolling. Coming back at you, Team 1. Team 1, where are we going next?
Let's start off with some Express.
Danny,
Risk
let's
it all,
go
big
big.
bro.
Let's go. Let's go for Express for 300.
Express 300. I like the sound of that. Express is this type of module. I hope that I get invited.
What?
Breakout rooms are now open.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Okay, we're here.
That
It's
happened.
all right.
This is going to be an interesting one here. Everybody can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, on the count of 10, let's see where we're going. On 10, on 9, on 8, on 7, on 6, on Vixen, on Frixen. 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me the money. What do we got? We got, what is it? Third-party application? Very close. What is Node module? Very close. What is Node module and what is a server? So the answer is a third-party module. Remember, there are 3 types of modules in Node. We have core modules. These are built into Node, such as FS. We have third-party modules. These are modules built by other people, external libraries that we bring in, like Express. And then we have our local modules. These are modules that we wrote by ourselves in other files. So third party's close, but not.
What do you mean?
Somebody said application.
That's what we meant. You knew what we meant.
Yeah, that we meant that though.
That's exactly what we.
You gotta give
I
us
lost
that
points.
one.
I lost points for one word. That's not fair.
No.
That's
not fair.
Was your team?
It's not it.
Which team? Danny, what team are you?
Team 1.
So this was your question, yes?
Was take that loss. Take that.
I think it's fair to do a half point on that because it does include almost.
Deception.
Oh,
This is deception.
whoa.
Going nuts.
Greg,
Man,
unacceptable.
justice.
Unacceptable.
I disagree.
Want
Because there were
justice.
no half points.
We're gonna
given
hand this off to
teams
my
with the
boss,
component
Arthur.
they
You can
found.
get mad at him or not mad at him. Arthur, can you make this decision?
I want justice.
On that well amount, you got to give us
I'll,
points.
I'll
gotta
grant
give
the
us
half
points
point.
for
I'll grant
Double
the half
standard.
point.
This is not
You
justice.
don't. How about they just don't lose a point
No, we
That
definitely
actually is
have
also
points.
fair. You know what? I like that.
That's
That's
fair.
okay,
Don't lose
yeah.
the point.
for it?
I'll
How
take
about
that.
they just
I'll take
don't
that.
lose a point?
That's
I'll
fair.
take
Okay,
that.
no losing a point.
That's justice. That is also
I'll
Fine.
take that. I'll take that.
And everybody else loses 1 point. Okay.
Which is even worse. Oh my god.
All right. That seems fair. I like that.
That's justice. I like
Thank you,
that.
Jenya. Thank you, Arthur. I appreciate that. The judges are in my. I'm sorry, but the judges have spoken. They're in my ears, and I am just the host. Okay.
I demanded
coming up,
retribution.
let's continue on. We are going to move on to team 2. Where are we going next?
All right, so I guess we'll just go everything Redux 400. We're gonna keep it big.
Everything Redux 400. A middleware that looks at every action that passes through the system. And if it's a function, it calls that function.
Okay.
Okay, breakout rooms are going to be started now.
We have returned.
Okay, and we are back. I heard some interesting discussions on this one. Let's see what everyone thinks. So on the count of 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see those answers.
Oh,
We get. Oh, hang on. My answers are behind here.
Perfect.
Okay, so Marvin's team with the thunk, Danny's team with the thunk, Giovanni with reducer, and Rafid's with the thunk. And the answer is, what is a thunk? Excellent. Remember, thunk is going to look, because reducers, just to clear that up, a reducer is going to take in a state and an action. So if that action happens to be a function, our reducer would break. So the thunk is in there, intercepts, and checks out what exactly is going on. So that was teams 2's, right?
Yep.
Question. So they're going to get double points.
That's it. That.
Team 1 with points, team 3 with points, and team 4 loses some points. Okay, we're getting close. Team 1 is closing in on team 4. Team 3 not too far behind. Team 2 almost in the positive. Don't fake the funk with a nasty thumb. I'm into that, Arthur. Yeah. Coming alive. Let's keep moving to team number 3. Team number 3, where are we headed?
We're gonna do everything Redux 500.
Okay.
Oh, going for swinging for the
Okay.
fences. Here we
Big
go.
problem.
Everything Redux. A tiny package that allows you to work with the immutable state in a more convenient way and is used by default in RTK. Okay, so take a second to look at those. And break rooms will be open in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Hello there.
Return.
Oh my goodness. It's heating up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm getting amped up as a cow with a whole new batch of grass. All right. So let's place our answers in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Show me the money. We get a full onslaught of Immer, and that is correct. What is Immer? Yes. So that was chosen by team 3, I believe. Yes.
Mhm.
That's going up 2, and the rest are going up by the 1. Team 2 in the positive in the game, and there's still points on that board. Let's keep it moving. Team 4, what is your selection?
Express 500.
I knew we should have did that.
Swinging for the fences.
Come back.
For a child to access all params that were available to its parent route, this options key must be set to true in our call to router. So let me just, because that one's kind of long, I'm going to post that one right in the chat before we go into breakout rooms. There we go. And I will see you all very, very soon. All right. And we're back. And what a wonderful day it is. Today is still Wednesday, April 22nd. Let's keep it going. Please place your answers in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What do we got? Okay, we got 3 teams that answered in time. And they are all correct. Merge params must be set to true. So team 4.
Shout out to Sin.
That was yours. So you guys get.
That was team 4.
Every team 1 gets 1. Team 2 did not answer, correct?
Yeah, we had to. Yeah, we had to take that.
Team 2 is back in the negative. Brutal.
Oh man.
All right, there's still points on that board. Let's keep it rolling. Team 1, where are we going next?
We're going for everything Redux for 300.
Everything Redux for 300. These are dispatched to the reducers.
Oh.
Okay. And we are going into the breakout rooms.
Lit.
This is sick.
All right. Welcome back. Just to confirm, everybody can see my screen, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Let's see what the cat dragged in. All right. On the count of 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me the money. And we get a full-on what are actions. Congratulations, everybody. You got that correct. That was team 1, I believe, right? So that's 2 points for them. And team 2 back in the green.
We're fighting for our lives out here.
Here we go. And team 2, this is your chance to pick it up a little bit more. Team 2, where are we going?
We're gonna go. Hold on, this is blocking my way. Let's go to miscellaneous 400.
Miscellaneous 400.
Ooh.
It's a working
Jamie
at
is
Pursuit.
cracking up.
Oh no!
Stories that often had this job title at this company. No, I wasn't
I
kidding.
noticed. 100%. I noticed.
How well
Why
do
did
you all
I do this?
know your instructor?
That's
I
so,
got this. Let's go.
All right, here we go.
that is so crazy.
We will see. You all.
we're never gonna get points.
Just have this conversation.
That. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. How well do you know the core?
Why?
All right. Why? Why not? Sam. All right. Let's see. What did Corey do and where?
Yo, we
All right. Please put in your answers in 10, 9,
Oh my gosh.
8, 7,
Yo, y'all want to spread some
6.
points like this?
This can't be good.
4, 3,
Oh god.
2, and 1.
Woo! Ah, I was wrong.
Okay. So we have what is performer at Potbelly? I will count that. I think you knew what kind of performer. Giovanni and Steam, what is a Potbelly musician? That is correct. Rafid, musician at Fat Cat. Sorry. Good guess. Not going to get anything. That's right. Before becoming a developer, I played background music at different Potbelly stand-up shops every day for 5.5 years. I also hosted an open mic for them. So that was my last job of somebody. I mean, I've worked for myself, but that was my real job title there.
Oh man,
So,
we're gonna lose so many points.
Team, team gets the point. Marvin's team.
Oh god.
Point. Team 3.
We just got here.
I'm gonna want to steer clear of
Score goes up.
those miscellaneous.
Yeah, I felt.
Well,
I was
you
like,
never
I got
know.
this.
They're going to be guessed at some point.
Oh
All right,
my
let's keep
God.
rolling. Team 3, you still have a chance to get back in. Don't you worry, too. Team 3, where are we going next?
Mathematically, that's impossible.
There's no way. This is so bad right now.
No, you really mathematically you can still make of 800 points, no problem.
Oh, man. I can touch zero. I know you're a musician. I did not know about Potbelly. That I just man.
Okay, team 3, where are we headed next?
We're gonna do Express for 400.
Express 400,
big.
taking away the big question.
Going big.
3 ways that data, I should say that data is passed to the back end. 3 ways to pass data to the back end. And breakout rooms will be open. Okay, all right. Welcome back, everybody. How we all doing still?
Oh man.
Is everybody back yet?
No.
Not yet, right?
No.
Okay, I think everybody's back now. Yeah. All right. Let's keep on rolling on the count of 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your answers in the chat.
Why did I do that?
And we get what is post-patch put, what is post-patch update request, what is params,
Oh,
body,
snap. That would have been
post.
it. It would have been params.
What are
body,
post requests and routes router? The answers are what are URL parameters, query string, and post requests.
We're closest. I demand justice. Give the report. Let's do it.
All right. That was which team made that one? 3, right?
4.
No, that was team 3, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
Oh no, sorry.
Team
Wait,
4.
what?
Nah. Hey.
Oh,
Oh no.
man.
I think we took off too
This
many.
is not justice.
I got crazy.
Okay.
That hurt.
We were
Oh,
close.
brutal.
That was brutal.
All right. That's okay.
We got 2
There's
of them.
still points out there. Team 2, all you got to do is get into the positives. And then you might end up winning in the final Jeopardy. Okay, coming up next, Team 4. Where are we going next?
We're gonna go for React 300.
React 300. A type of input that displays what is written in its value attribute. Please take off these restraints. All right.
Okay. Hey, let's go.
And we
I got
are
this.
entering breakout rooms now. All right. We are coming back. Henry, I see that smile. You got the answer?
Man, this is such a tough game.
I can count in Russian.
What?
Can I count back in Russian?
Do it. Do it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I get what you're saying. I had no idea what you're talking about. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
How do you say-
post
how do you
your
say go?
answer in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Post.
Okay.
Sorry,
Team,
this is 6.2.
what is controlled input? What is controlled input? Controlled input. Sorry, I have to go visit 6.2 now. You're all way more fun tonight. Don't tell them I said that. Oh,
Not an
yes.
answer.
And we get what is on change input. And the answer is a controlled input.
Time to shine. Time to shine. Let's go.
Oh, what a close one there. That was
20 out here.
that was team. Which team guessed that? Who
That was
chose
4.
That was 4.
Ooh, let's get it.
So team 4 got that one.
Wow.
Wait, team 4 got that one wrong, right?
Yeah,
Hey, justice. All right, that goes down. I need these points.
Yikes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yay, let's go,
It is-
team
Yes.
For the first time, team 1 has the lead. This is getting really close. I'm getting pretty pumped up. All right, coming up to team 1, where are we going next?
Corey, we would like to go to for miscellaneous for 300.
Shouldn't have done
Oh, picking up
I
the
messed up.
big board.
You shouldn't have done that.
If I'm writing my reducers in RTK and I have code that has a side effect, these two keys must be added.
Hey, okay, let's do it.
Okay,
All
okay,
right.
okay.
And breakout rooms are now open.
Okay. Comeback season.
Okay.
Energy.
And we're back. You know, if every time I come back to this, I have to like reload the whole chat. It's really annoying. So I don't think I'll go into breakout rooms. Okay. Let's see. Does somebody else want to count in a different language?
I was gonna do German, but it's not happening.
Do we have any other language speakers?
Sign language.
French.
Siham.
Okay.
Do the French.
10, 9.
That's not French, Mom.
It's okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Go.
Oui, oui.
Yes.
Okay, and we see Danny's team reducer prepare, Rafid reducer prepare, Marvin's team extra reducer prepare, Giovanni prepare extra reducer. Well, it's gonna half the teams are gonna win, and it's reducer and prepare.
It was evil.
Oh, so
Oh,
close.
man.
It's
Okay,
lit.
so Danny,
team
your
won.
team won, right?
Double
Yes.
up.
Did you guys choose that question?
Yeah, we
Yes,
did.
sir.
Okay, team 2 is Marvin's team, right?
Oh man, I can't see this.
Wrong. 3 is Rafid's team, correct, and Giovanni's team is wrong. Wow, team 1 is coming on strong at the end. Okay, team 2, time to make up a little bit of points.
A little bit. React for 200.
React 200. I am what is caused by setting state in a render forever and always.
Okay.
And here we go.
State in a random.
Karen, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. I didn't get
What-
put in my room.
What room are you in?
Number 1.
And here we're back. Welcome back. Does somebody else want to count in a different language?
I can do German. I do have a reference.
Go for it, Marvin.
Me? Okay. So post your answers in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So I can't my pronunciation is shit. 2 and 1. Go.
Oh,
like, where do we go?
and we got the infinite loop. Everybody's gonna take home points. That was team 2, right?
Yep.
They're
Let's do it.
going up a bit. Everybody else is going up a bit.
We just want to hit 0.
Awesome. All right, team 3, back up to the bat. Where are we headed?
Let's do everything Redux for 200.
Everything Redux for 200. These popular hooks from the React Redux module replaced map state to props and map dispatch to props. And away we go.
Sean, I'm in class. You keep
Okay, and we're back. Do we have another language?
This has been a painful time.
I can go.
Okay, go for it.
What language here?
Ju, Ku, Hachi, Sichi,
Oh,
Goku, Go,
Japanese.
San, Ni, Ich, Post.
Oh, I wasn't ready.
I was confused.
You made up your own language. That's
Got it.
cool. All right. And looks like we got the same answers across the board, and they are all correct.
Road to 0,
Excellent
y'all.
job. That was team. Which team was that?
Team 3.
That was team 3.
Yeah, road
Couple
to 0.
points.
Y'all. Road to 0.
Okay, we are getting closer here into the final ones. Team 4, where are we headed next?
We're gonna go
Express
with
200.
Express 200.
Express 200, a popular middleware to help us better read the data of a post request. All shapes and sizes are accepted here. All right, and here we go.
Help us better read the data of a post request.
Okay.
Oh, let's go.
Oh my goodness. Do we have another language? Do we have another language?
Giovanni, speak
Henry, speak that Spanish.
Yo.
Español. Español.
Español.
Who knows Espanol? Who can do it?
A lot of
I
us.
could do it.
Oh, Rafi, let Rafi do it.
Yeah, let me keep it.
You want me to do it? Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Rafi, por favor.
All right, put your answers in. 10, 9, 8,
Hey.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was not
Very,
10
very
seconds.
fast.
Fast 10 seconds.
Okay.
5
Very
seconds.
fast count.
This is interesting. I am going to be a stickler here. It is body parser. Right.
Why did I write it like that?
Okay, all right.
I typed too fast.
I'm just not.
Yikes.
Yeah. So I'm gonna need the exact typing on this, I think.
Oh, dear.
This hurts my soul. This hurts
And
my soul.
so we have points.
What happened to not losing points?
Which team was that?
That was 2-4.
What happened?
Wait. Then we shouldn't lose any points then.
Yeah,
Like being
yeah, you
fair.
changed the rules for the game.
Half points.
What the other
Half
kid?
points.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Well,
Just
that's
give
because
everybody
nobody
points.
else got it before.
That's fine. It's fine. That was my fault.
That was true,
This
Corey.
was
Nobody
on me.
got
I
it.
should. I
Yeah,
forgot the
nobody else
dash.
had it.
I screwed
Two
up.
teams got it correct. It's fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really
Oh,
only two teams
yeah.
got it right. All right, and 3, right? There we go.
Wow.
This hurts. This is painful.
Okay, it's actually a pretty close game here.
Oh man, what?
That's ridiculous.
We are.
All right, team 1, right? Are we back to 1?
Yeah.
Where are we going next?
I say let's go to React for 100.
React 100.
Oh man.
These are commonly passed into a child component.
Alright.
Oh, that's very general.
That is the hardest question in the world.
I'm debating that.
Okay.
I'm going on strike.
Hey Corey, yeah, that last question, his B capitalized off of auto, correct? When you put the first character in the actual like segment, so
I
that's
demand
corrected
justice.
and then went to a
That is
capital.
fake news.
But hang on. Mine doesn't auto capitalize.
Oh my god. I'm bad.
I demand justice for the
It
situation.
was a glitch in the matrix.
I don't know.
Wrong.
I have a feeling that one's not going to be the one that makes a difference for you guys. I'm sorry.
I've been framed.
All right. Do we have another language?
Okay, in Arabic.
Yeah.
Do it, yeah.
10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 go.
Whew. What
So what is
are
do it in
props,
contract
everybody? Points all around.
It's
Team
not
that was
capital.
team 1. They get
Man,
2 points, 1.1 and 1. Okay. Team 2 making the comeback here. Team 2, it's your turn.
Oh, this game hurts my heart.
This could be a big. If you get all of them right and you choose correctly here,
You
you
get
could
0.
end up with 0.
What happened to Double Jeopardy?
Oh man, we're gonna go to Express for 100. You're just
Every
gonna.
double.
We need to get this.
Really? That's your strategy?
Miscellaneous. Actually, nah, miscellaneous 200. I'm giving it a
Already
peer pressure.
spoke.
No.
I handle requests and give back a response. Bon appetit.
Ah.
Okay. I handle requests and give back a response. Bon appetit. I feel bad.
You got the music. Yeah, I'm never watching Jeopardy again.
All right, welcome back, everybody. That was a commercial. The show is sponsored by Palm Olive Oil. Palm Olive, that is the best dish soap if you're trying to get rid of Greek grime and everything else. Okay, also complimentary, the quicker picker upper bounty. Let's go. Who wants to do the next count?
Oh man,
I could give y'all my C+ Italian.
Yeah.
do it.
What happened?
Italian.
Italian, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. Go for it.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, post.
Yes.
Okay, we get back 3 people
What the
real
heck?
quick.
No, sorry, we would say it was PG.
Marvin, your team didn't answer?
Yeah, I'm scrolling. Was that? That's what we picked. We picked that.
Okay.
So,
And the answer
it's
is
server.
a server.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Overthinking.
Right?
Yeah, that threw me off. I was like, what does he mean by
That's
that?
Jeopardy extra little hint. Okay. So everybody got a point except for team 2, which loses 2 points.
Life is pain.
That's gonna be tough to come back from that. Okay, come on, team number 3. Where are we going now?
You ready to do miscellaneous 200?
Yeah.
Going for the big ones.
Uh,
In React Context API, this method must be called on the context in order to pass the given value to the children components. I'm the true breadwinner.
Ooh.
All right, coming up, let's go into our breakout rooms.
oh, okay. I got it. Oh.
All right, and we are back, everybody. Coming at you. It is still Wednesday, the 22nd. Is there another? Do we have another language? How many more languages do we have? How many exist?
At least 2.
Do we have another language?
Do we do Korean?
Yes.
I don't think we have.
No.
Let's do it. Caroline, go for it.
Do it. Okay. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, what is a provider? Everyone guesses and everybody gets correct. Congratulations. That was team 3, right? Just to make sure.
Yeah. This is so painful.
Did this click up? I don't remember.
No. They were
No, it clicked up already.
Okay. This is it, right? Correct?
That is correct.
With
Okay.
a capital.
That one, yeah, I see the cap. That
There's no
one's
justice
fine.
here.
I don't.
There's no justice here.
Whoa. I said heavy.
Things
Zero
are getting
justice.
wild. I know. I'm sorry. Honestly, I wasn't gonna penalize Group 2 on the capital
Whoa.
originally until they made such a thing. I really just meant the group that didn't have the hyphen. So, but then they went, "Oh, I can't believe it," and then I was like, "Oh, okay, now I notice."
Oh man.
I don't think it would work with a lowercase p, Giovanni.
I think
that answers a
we
lot of
could still
questions.
catch up. I think we can still catch up.
Whatever, we're gonna be fine. Team 4 is up. Is that correct?
We're gonna go with
4.
JavaScript fundamentals for 100.
Comeback's gonna be crazy. Just watch y'all.
The expression cat or true will evaluate to this.
Don't worry, I believe in the comeback. I believe in the comeback. Don't worry. Don't worry. You guys got it. You guys wait and see.
Oh man,
wait and see. We're a little behind.
It's been a rough game for Team 2. Do we have another language?
Ooh.
Okay, then I will count down.
Fingers.
Ente.
I was gonna do that.
8A.
Is that Pig Latin?
Ixe. Ife.
Name on the
Orfe. Ethre. Ute. And
one.
One. Yeah, and one A.
One is pretty good. What is pretty
And we get cat all the way through.
believe in the streak.
Congratulations. That is correct.
Believe
So
in the
happy that
comeback.
nobody put true. I'm so thrilled. It's Team 4,
Believe in the
right?
comeback, son. Yeah.
So
Yeah,
Team
Team
4
4.
gets plus, and plus. Oh my God! Look how close Team 3 and 4 are together.
We're neck and neck. We're right
This
there.
could
don't
come
worry.
down to Final Jeopardy. We've got one more, and this is Team 1's guess on the board.
Man.
The sequel command that returns all rows from the first table and the matching rows from the second table. The result is null from the second side if there is no match. One stop this time. All right. And here we go. Oh my goodness.
Bring it back one time.
We are almost to the finish, and it is a close game.
We're right there. Don't worry, y'all.
Do we have a final count? Do we have a final counter here? Sort of. Actually, there's one more round of counting, but final count. Henry is whispering.
Portuguese.
Well, yeah, do that one. Yeah.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Born ready.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Smooth.
quinta, quarta,
Let 'em
sexta,
know.
segunda, uma.
Bye.
That
we
is,
close now?
that is almost so much like Spanish. Okay. And people are like rolling, getting pissed off. What is a left join? Everybody takes that
They
one.
didn't capitalize it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yo, why are you guys such
I want
haters?
justice.
Such haters.
I need that.
Every single one. Yo.
Oh, that's a
Sequel.
nice catch. I would like to
Sequel.
mention that sequel is case.
Sensitive.
Sensitive.
Oh, let's go.
Insensitive.
Justice. Oh,
Case
no.
Insensitive.
What?
Sequel is case.
We let
insensitive.
listen.
Yo,
I'm not
That
voting
is
on
correct.
us.
A lowercase
Hey,
left join is
rigged.
valid in sequel.
Oh man, I'm seeing the dark sides of people, and I am liking it.
this game is rigged.
Okay,
This game is rigged. Oh,
here's what's
no.
going to happen.
Stop hating on the team getting all the
This
right answers.
is
Damn, we were so close too.
okay. The game is not over. Okay, we have final Jeopardy. This is your category, history. Now, you will have.
Wait. What do you mean history?
That's
Like
the
coding
category.
history?
Like African American history?
Yeah, like there's so many.
It's not going to be African American history.
What about that? I'm a history nerd.
That's the theme of the game. Okay, this is
Light yourself, my
history.
brother.
Okay, if it is African American history, that would be cool. It's not though. I already know the question. Okay, this is history. In your groups, you will decide how much you will wager.
We don't even have points.
Okay, so team two, team two, you can just relax on this one. Okay, so your team has 1
How
minute.
do I bet negative money?
Your team has 1 minute to pick its wager. Ready? And we will open all rooms. We're coming back pretty soon. Yeah. This rules. This sucks, Beavis. Yeah. This like rules and sucks.
Whoa.
All right, we're back from commercial break.
I think my team got it, honestly.
Okay, so
He said.
you need to put your wager in. I will just do the count. We will only need 5 seconds. Let's do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your wager.
That's it. The whole pot. Ooh, Danny.
Yeah, go big.
Oh my goodness.
Energy.
Oh.
So,
The whole pot.
so every team is betting all they have. Incredible strategy. You all get it wrong, you all end up with 0. Nobody,
We all win, including team two.
We will still be winning.
nobody has ever.
Get your last now. Wait till next time.
Why would the team with 6,200 points go all in when all they need to do is be higher than 8,300 at the end.
This is a high stakes poker game. Don't worry
Absolutely
about that.
insane. They could have bet 4,300 and just not
Corey,
even done math.
If my team gets it right, can we get 1 point? Can we get up to positive 1 point? Like if we end up being the only team that gets it right?
We'll
How about
see.
that?
All right. And the question is
2-1, a +1.
I'll be beautiful.
I love the strategies. I would love to play poker with you all. Let's do. Although I would probably lose, really. But here is the question. The question is in the chat right now.
Oh, really? Oh,
and breakout
It's lit.
rooms.
It's lit.
And breakout rooms are now open.
Oh God.
Oh, the music. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, this comeback's gonna be crazy. I want my team to get that 1 point. I think that's justice. I think the comeback.
Hey, if you tell me the year it came out, I will.
Oh, really?
Oh,
don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Go back.
Don't do that.
All right.
That's a bonus?
I didn't mention that. I'm not really worried. Don't.
It's too late now.
All right. All ready.
Yep.
I'll do. I'll do the final. Jenya, do you want to do the final count?
No, you do it. You do it.
All
You're the
right,
host.
here we go. For the game, everybody. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. All right, post your answers. And and everybody gets it right. What is Facebook? I might as well leave the scores the same because everybody bet everything. And the winner is Team 1,
Woo!
Team 3, and 4 tied for second place. And that means Team 2 is third place. Congratulations. Third place out of 4 teams is pretty good.
Fake news.
Oh yeah.
Fake news.
Yeah, this is fake news.
Fake news. What are you talking
There was
about?
no justice in this game.
There was
No justice in this game.
I feel we were cheated twice, but it's all good.
What were you cheating
Oh, Doug, I'm sorry.
All right. So the JSX question, Team 3 definitely didn't deserve 800 points. That was a cheat.
Wait, but what team who guessed the JSX question?
Team 3. And they chose it purposely because
But they didn't even win.
Look, we got the only question. No. Let me talk to you guys. Look, let me talk to y'all about injustice. We got the only question. We got the only Corey question.
Yeah,
right.
And 2 teams got that right.
Got that right.
Those teams, I know who my favorites are now.
We lost 800 points, and then we lost 1,000 points on a casing.
We had a miscommunication with the Potbelly question.
But then the capitalization didn't count for left join, sir. We secured that second place.
Honestly,
no, don't even say that.
I
body parser
second
with the
place.
capital B.
Penalized for the body parser, then you got to
hold on.
Everybody got
But
correct on
the
component
mistake-
amount, then I'm out.
We can easily
Nobody
say
spelled all those
on
correctly.
an update.
And
You
I
guys
didn't take
didn't
all your
stop that.
points.
So
I think we need to clear the big elephant in the room. And Corey, can you please tell us our prize?
Prize.
Your prize is a walk in the park with Corey after quarantine.
I'm jealous.
Oh.
6
That's
feet.
it.
6 feet. We need 6
No,
feet.
if you guys think of a fair prize, we can figure something out.
Will there be Dunbury on this walk in the park? See, we don't even get to go.
It's got to be like a duck. It's got to be one of those rubber ducks, honestly.
Yeah, maybe we can get some kind of duck action.
A giant duck.
Rights.
But
Everybody's got
We need a
great
song.
Rights. Oh man, what a show. Okay, well, let's get back to the way I prefer to look.
Oh man.
Any questions on tonight?
Oh, I have a lot of questions for tonight.
Oh,
Sanctioned this game. What commission sanctioned this game?
The Corey Commission. Did you learn something today? Scale 1 to 5. Was this something that you enjoyed, would like to do again? I know it's all might be the same question or different questions, but whatever.
Zero.
We got to do this
Kong.
again. This was a lot of fun.
Do that.
This was a ton of fun.
Sore losers be like,
Sore losers.
Can I just pick negative 500? Is that on the list? It's not on the list, right? I'm picking negative 500. That's my number.
And we will end it. There is. So overall, people liked today. One person didn't. I'm really sorry. Sorry to you. You know, whatever. That's how it is. That is always how it is. So sorry if that's you. You had to put up with it. Maybe you'll like what we do on Saturday. Okay. That's the lecture. Really, that's a review lecture on everything we've gone over with a little bit of an emphasis on React and Redux. For the rest of the day, you know, definitely keep working on anything you have left. You still have a Redux project. We still have labs, toolkit practice. If you haven't finished context, go back. If you need any help with any of it, I am here. Jenya is here. Caroline's here to help if you need someone to talk to. Right?
No,
Me too. You can also talk to me. Still, I'm really good with relationship advice. I'm ready. No, this is Bat Boy, Maria.
Oh, okay.
From Weekly World News. I
actually have a relationship question that everyone can listen to.
Let's go. Lay it on the table. Bring it on.
Hey now.
If you invite somebody to read a book with you, is that a romantic gesture? Because I think I knew the mistake.
So that honestly, that's pretty.
Depends on the book.
It depends on the book.
depends on the book. I agree.
Depends on the book. Depends on the book.
If
It's
you're
just
asked,
like your garden variety,
Garden
variety urban novel.
That's
Like-
really romantic. You got
Visual novels?
yes.
Nah.
Yeah, like drugs
this-
and guns. Like,
Is this something you're
like
going to
True the Game.
suggest?
I invited somebody to read True to the Game because they never heard of it.
Yep, that's
one of those
romantic.
Zane books, right?
Pretty.
True to the Game?
Yeah, I think that is a romantic gesture.
Romantic.
It definitely beats giving them money.
Yeah, that's it.
Well,
Yeah, that's it.
Mistakes were made. I'm gonna have to
What?
walk that
Mistakes
back
were
now.
made.
I've read with my wife before, mostly because I'm trying to teach her how to read. No, I'm just kidding. It was, you know, it was a good thing. And yeah, that's a nice thing to read. If you're reading Moby Dick together, probably kind of boring. The encyclopedia, world healthcare, medical book.
I like the books with the pictures, honestly.
Gotta be.
I love a good picture book.
I love a good picture book, honestly. It's pretty.
yeah.
great.
I'm gonna thank the class for their
Yay.
consensus, and I
Yay.
realized I made a whoopsie.
So,
You don't want to read. There's something wrong with her, Jay.
Yikes.
No,
That's
that's
it.
a nice. That's a
don't
romantic
worry, team.
gesture.
We'll get them next time. All
Hey,
right.
Karen, do you have a
Cool,
question? Is that why your hand is raised? In the Karen, in the non-vocal feedback feature, you have a hand raised.
He asked if you
Do you have a
like
question?
Dear Abby.
Do I like Dear Abby? I love Dear Abby. She writes to me all the time, and I help her out. Hilbert looks very unimpressed. Yeah, all of y'all can go. Okay, I'm sticking around for questions.